So this is my bathroom closet, and it goes all the way up here. There's a lot of room, but it looks ridiculous. That's our laundry hamper. Yep, that's what it really looks like. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and the top shelf. So it's more than enough room, and it extends all the way back here. This is a rack that you can hang things from, which I don't know if I'm too fond of it. This is all of our bath tissue, and we have floor space as well. I am attempting to do a no buy of totally free. I don't want to purchase anything to straighten this up. I'm going to declutter. I'm going to hopefully arrange it to where it's more presentable to the eye, because this is awful. This is awful. My bathroom by itself is awful. It really is. It's bad. I'm hoping to do a small redo, refresh, reno by the summertime. So we'll see, but I've got to do something with this. This is ridiculous. All right, just hang on, people. Okay, I'm gonna start taking everything out. Tissue. More tissue. That thing. Okay. 2. 3. Okay, so this is the bottom 2 shelves. That's everything out of that. And I have the laundry basket and the toilet paper off to the side. So I'm just going to start going through each of the bins and seeing what I'm going to keep and what I'm going to throw away. A lot of things I have duplicates of, which these are travel size. When you go to the eye doctor, they give you these clean clear for your contacts. So I'll keep these. I don't use them as much as I need to. And this is really good. I really enjoy this. I use this now. So I'm going to keep those. Preparation H. If you've ever had this is TMI, if you've ever had a colonoscopy and you've had to do the prep for a colonoscopy, you know, it helps. Okay, Preparation H. I guess I'll keep it. 2 toothbrushes from the dentist. Oh, hair dye. I won't be using this anymore. I'm letting the gray come in. I don't know if you can see it. The gray is coming in. No more dyeing. It's been almost a year since I've dyed my hair. I don't need this. I guess I can see if someone wants it. So I'll set that to the side. Don't need that anymore. This is my travel bag. So if I go somewhere, I put toiletries in here. So I'll keep that. This is another travel bag that I use for toiletries. These are plastic caps for conditioning. I will keep that. OMG. I'm not going to show you guys every little thing, but I'm just kind of going through. These are just empty sacks that I put trash in. I don't know what this was for. I don't know why that's in there. Speaking of colonoscopy, these are wipes that I bought. Y'all, I was scared to death. So I didn't know if my, butthole was going to blow out or what. So I was scared. I bought everything. I had one this summer. And I purchased all these things for the colonoscopy. So I guess I'll keep them. It may be time for my husband to have one. So I'll keep it for now. These are old contacts that I'm not supposed to be using anymore. Shh. Don't tell the eye doctor. I don't know what's in here. Oh, I kept extra gloves. I dyed my hair all the time. All of the time I dyed my hair. So these are extra gloves. No more dyeing. No more coloring hair. These are extra gloves. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with those. I might just keep them for whatever. This is the other eye contact lenses. Oh, a pill organizer. I need this. Definitely keeping that. Some extra travel bottles, containers. I'll keep that. Little mouthwash travel container. I will keep that. And I guess I can stick those in here for now. Because I'll probably be cleaning this out as well. But for now, I will just put them in here. Another travel container. Another mouthwash for travel purposes. Feminine spray. What is this? This is a clay mask for your feet. That's good. I have time. You would think I traveled a lot, but I don't. This is more travel containers. I wish I did, but I don't. These are alcohol pads. I don't even know. These are old. Old. They may not even be. Oh, They do. They're still working. Okay, I'll keep those. These would come in handy. They're old. My brother was, I had an ill brother that passed away years ago, and I got these from him. Y'all, I promise you, I don't travel. I don't travel that much. What is going on? All the, woo, travel. And these are really old. These are really old. Okay, I'm throwing these away. And I don't know, healing oil, Talia Wajid, corn pads. When was the last time you seen a corn pad? This is a headband with a, I don't think I'll be using this. Floss. I'm not sure what this is. It's to hang, to hang our mirror. Maybe I'll keep this. I don't really, and the rest is just a wristband, a couple of bobby pins, and a hair tie. This thing is nasty. So, you see all that over there? That's a lot of stuff, guys. It's a lot of stuff. So, I'm going to wipe this down. This is just a container that I have had for years. You can bolt it to, you know, a spot and keep it stationary, because it has a place for a screw where you can, and it glides. It glides. Oh, it's filthy though. So, okay, I'm gonna keep on cleaning up stuff, decluttering, figuring out what I'm gonna keep, what I'm gonna toss. Ugh, it's filthy. And I'll come back in a little bit. Okay, guys, this is the final result. I know. It does not look a whole lot different than it did. I agree, but I was able to throw away a lot of things, get some kind of organization to what is in each container, which will help a lot. It saves time on hunting and searching for stuff, which I do find myself doing because things are just unorganized. Okay, so let's start at the bottom. As you see, toilet paper on both rows. At the very bottom, this is mainly travel stuff, travel containers, toothbrushes, colonoscopy, preparedness, things of that nature. Kind of the same stuff that was already in there, but I did throw away a lot of expired stuff, old stuff. So on the second row, we have feminine products, body products as well. This container next to it is face and eyes. The one next to it is kind of like a first aid kit. It has a lot of first aid items that you would need. So I contained them all in one basket. Then on the third row, you have towels. You have bath and body products, scrubs, body washes, hand soaps, things of that nature. On that blue container there is a sewing kit. The pink top, there's nothing in that. We have the fourth row, which has towels, hair products all the way across, just hair things. The very end, that is my husband's shoe shine kit, for lack of a better word. At the top, I need to throw those away. They're just old white towels that I used to use to dye my hair with. We have some shower gel, some bath soap bars, and paper towels. So yeah, that's it. This is it all the way to the back. I got the toilet paper rolls here up off of the floor, out of the container, and I'm getting ready to wash. So the basket will still go here. Will still go there, our laundry basket. This room needs more help than I'm willing to give it right now, but I did have to straighten that up because it was absolutely driving me insane. Okay, thank you guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.